Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your financial advisory business. If you own a financial advisory business, then manually responding to all the queries related to investment planning and providing consultations can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI agent which will respond to all of these queries and automate the whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. This is the AI assistant that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. So here, we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the AI assistant, we are going to say a general message like hello. And immediately, our AI assistant will respond us with, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" So here, I'm going to ask a question, "What financial services do you offer?" And our AI assistant says, "We offer a variety of financial services including investment portfolio management, retirement planning, tax strategy and planning, wealth and estate planning, financial goal analysis. If you have any specific questions about these services, feel free to ask." So I'm going to ask another question like this, "How can I schedule a consultation?" And our AI assistant says, "You can schedule a consultation by either visiting our booking page or messaging us directly with your preferred date and time. Let me know if you need further assistance." So I'm going to ask another question as, "What documents should I bring for my first consultation?" And our AI assistant says, "For the first consultation, please prepare the following documents: recent salary slips or income documents, current investment statements, tax returns for the last 1 to 2 years, a list of all your financial goals or plans. If you have any other question, feel free to ask." So this is how our financial advisor AI assistant works. Now, to create this amazing AI assistant, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. But before we begin, let me introduce you to Pabbly Community. This is our official Pabbly community. Here you can get exclusive access to real-time updates, helpful resources and support from your team and fellow users. Here you can share ideas, ask questions and even discover latest features and tips using Pabbly applications. Here you can get real-time updates, connect with industry experts and even ask questions and share valuable feedback. So join Pabbly community today. Now we can go back to main landing page of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp number. Then you will get two options. WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the procedure of creating our AI assistant. And for that, access the feature from here and then to create a new AI assistant, simply click on Add AI Assistant. Here we have to provide name of our AI assistant like Financial Advisor AI Assistant. I'm going to click on Add AI Assistant and it will redirect us to this page. Here, first we have to select our instruction type. When we click on it, we get a list of all the instruction type. You have to choose one as per your needs. So here I'm going to select AI Agent and then it will provide me with primary functions as well as the constraints. Next, I'm going to move ahead with AI configuration in which I'm going to set the temperature. It says 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So here I'm going to enhance the creativity to 0.9. And next we have to choose our AI tool which I'm going to choose as OpenAI. And as model, I'm going to select GPT 4.0 Mini. Here, we have to provide an API key. To create an API key, we have to access OpenAI API Keys page. When you click on it, it will redirect you to API Keys page. And here, you can see a list of all the previously created API keys. To create a new one, simply click on Create Secret Key. Here, you have to provide name of your AI assistant as Financial Advisor AI Assistant and I'm going to keep the project settings at default. Then I'm going to click on Create Secret Key and it will provide us with the secret key which we have to copy and paste it as our API token. Like this. Then click on Connect and your OpenAI key will be saved successfully. Next, I'm going to move ahead with AI Assistant settings. If you want to provide a header, you simply have to enable this toggle and provide a header here. You have to follow the same procedure to provide a footer or stop keywords or a retry attempt. Here I'm going to leave them all disabled and here is our default fallback message which you can customize accordingly if you want. Next, I'm going to move ahead with knowledge source and here we have to provide a knowledge source file on the basis of which our AI assistant will be responding to the question provided by clients. Make sure your knowledge source has all the knowledge related to financial advisory and make sure its size is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format as given here. So here I'm going to drop my file like this and it will appear here. Like this. It says file uploaded and processed successfully. So I can move ahead with AI Assistant interface. First we have to provide header display heading name like Financial Advisor which will appear here. And then we have header display subheading name as we are online and happy to assist you which will appear here. And then we have our initial message. If you want to add another initial message, you simply have to type it and press enter to register it. And your additional message will appear here. I'm going to remove it and then it says display the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can see it displays powered by Pabbly. If you want to disable it, you simply have to click on disable from the drop down and it will stop displaying powered by Pabbly label. Then we have this privacy policy which you can customize for your financial advisory business as financial advisory privacy policy. And here you have to provide your financial advisory footer link. And then here is user's first message. So whenever the user sends this message, our AI agent will be activated. So here I'm going to customize it as a simple hello. So whenever a user sends a hello, our AI assistant can be activated. Next, I'm going to move ahead with our last option, that is styling. From here, you can modify your AI assistant's visual appearance. So from here, you can change the theme from light to dark, which will appear like this. Or you can change assistant shape from circle to square or rounded square. Here you can change assistant background color or assistant text color, background color or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color, primary chat bubble text color, footer background color or footer text color. You can even change header profile picture which appears here or assistant profile picture. You can even change the background picture. So this is how you can modify your AI assistant's appearance. And once you're done with all the modifications and customizations, you can enable this toggle which will make your AI assistant activated and fully functional. So if you want to create an AI assistant for financial advisory business, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you're done creating your AI assistant, save your AI assistant from here and you will be good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.